What's going on, campers? Welcome back on today's Travel Trailer Walk Around. And today I'm super excited to show you the 2026 12BH by Coachmen Clipper. That's right, they are now came out with a new floor plan and a little miniature bunkhouse that I think would be perfect for those weekend getaways and get you and your family out there with the having some cool adventures and things like that. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, welcome back on another Travel Trailer Walk Around. And today we're going to be talking about the brand new 2026 Coachmen Clipper. This is going to be the 12BH. That's right, nice small little bunkhouse that'll get you out there doing it for you smaller families without having to have that heavy tow capacity. So, to start us off, we'll get a few specs out of the way. We're going to be at 2480 unloaded. It's going to have a 2 5/16 ball, coupler ball. We're going to be a total of 16 foot from bumper to hitch, 7'6" wide. That's 7 foot 6 inches wide. We're going to have that 20-pound propane tank there on the front. We do have a nice battery disconnect switch on there for storage and things like that. This does have rooftop solar. I'll double check and put it down in the description, but I do believe that it's a 200-watt panel on there. Like I said, these are brand new, so bear with me on some of the specs, and I'll continue to update as I can. But as you see here, we're going to have an on-demand water system, exhaust for your thermos furnace, city water hook or freshwater fill. You're going to have a gray and a black, 2 stabilization jacks in the back. You're going to have a 30 amp system, cable hookup, come along the back side, and you're going to see your side mount AC. It's prepped for a backup camera, and also that Lipper on the go ladder on the back side as well too, kind of in the shadow, but right there is your city water connection. You come along to the front side. One of the cool things they did this year is they took the pet-friendly leash and also combine your bottle opener in there, which I think is pretty cool. As we take a step back, you're going to see you have nearly a full-size awning. I'm going to easily say that's at least 8 to 9 foot, but I'll make sure to put the correct description down below. You're going to have a nice solid steps on there. Some storage down in this corner. And they upgraded to the magnets. I really like that they updated to these magnets because no more plastic break-in, things like that. They did give you some outlets out here on the front, and that is GFI. And then as we go inside, immediately you're going to see our kitchen and our bed. So it appears to be about a full-size bed. You're going to have a foot locker down over here, some storage up top, some outlets and 12 volt there. Good size storage locker. Nice window over here. There's your thermostat. Got this nice sink in here, and then the cup cleaner, which is really cool. Didn't know that was ready to go, and I pressed it. I got splashed with water. If you saw it, it would have been funny. Nice 2-burner stove, microwave, fan and hood. Over here is your main console for your awning, water pump, ceiling lights, and the awning lights as well. Sorry, this is your on-demand water system. This is your thermostat. Both by Suburban. Going to have a good sized 12 volt refrigerator. Right next to it, you're going to have your bunks. So you got a nice top bunk up there, and then a bottom bunk here. They each have independently working lights and their own 12 volt charge ports. And then underneath, we also have some storage. Right here's your LP detector and fuse panel. Got that nice large window, side mounted AC. Oop, and my battery pack is dying, but you're going to have a nice mirror, outlets, and lights in here. In your bathroom, you got a foot flush, and then a shower. And that's a decent sized shower. For a trailer this size, you know, it's really nice that they were able to put a dry bath in there. Give you some robe hooks and towel hooks. Like I said, this is a brand new floor plan. Only had it here a couple days. It's not even been through our garage yet. But if this is something that interests you, give me an email at mike@cortlandrv.com. And I'll be glad to answer any other questions or more specific specs that I didn't have in this video, right through my email or in the comments down below. Like I said, as I learn more about this and the specs come out, I'll be able to keep that updated. But until then, I will see you in the next one.